Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this class, we are going to discuss about the similar figures and congruent figures. See, we have small difference between the similar figures and the congruent figures. So first we will discuss about the similar figures. Similar figures. For example, here you can observe some of the figures here. For example, you can see use building. Before to construct that building, engineers will make a small model. That model is called what? A similar figure of the actual building. Actually, the model which exactly looks like a what they want to construct the building, so it is exactly equal to that building. So but in the size they have differences. The model is very small and the actual building is huge building. So there is a change, there is a variation in their sizes, but they have same shapes. Okay, if the figures have same shape with different sizes, then the figures are similar figures. If the figures have same shape but different in their sizes, that kind of figures are called similar figures. Example, all the circles. You can draw many circles with different radius, with different radii. You can observe this is a small circle. If you increase the radius of the circle, this is quite huger than this. Then if you again decrease its radius, then it is too small. So here all the three circles looks like a same shape. They have same shape but they have different sizes. So this shows similar figures. Example for similar figures. So circles with different radii. In the same way, all squares, all rectangles. We can give examples for similar figures. So all circles, all rectangles, all squares, all cubes we can give. Okay, so these are all the examples for similar figures. Example, you can give squares, circles, rectangles, cubes, etc. So these are all similar figures. In the same way, congruent figures. Congruent figures. If the figures they have same shape and same size also. If the figures have both same shape and same size, then the figures are congruent figures. They look like exactly same. Then the figures, that kind of figures, so are called what? Or belongs to congruent figures. If the figures have same shape and same size, are called congruent figures. Congruent is nothing but they are exactly same, exactly equal. Example, you can give circles with same radius. So you can draw many circles with the same radii. Here for similar figures we drawn many circles with different radii. So here if you taken 3 centimeter for one triangle means, say one circle, then if you drawn one more circle with same radius, then they looks like same. Their shape and size also equal. Therefore, the circles with the same radii are the examples for congruent figures. And in the same way, squares with the same edges, rectangles with the same dimensions, cubes with same dimensions, we can give examples. These are the examples for congruent figures. Circles with the same radii. This is important. Same radii. If you change the radii, then they are the examples for similar figures. If you have the same radii, then they are the examples for congruent figures. Because if you maintain the same radius for all the circles, then their shapes and sizes, especially their sizes, are same. And squares with same edges or equal edges. Squares with equal or same edges. Edges means sides. Then rectangles with same dimensions. Length and breadth should be same for all the rectangles. Same dimensions. The dimensions are length and breadth. And cubes. In cubes, all the sides are equal. Cubes with same edges or with equal or same edges. These are the examples for congruent figures. Have a look.